Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And today I want to talk about Myecon and if you should join. Woo! Do you know anything about Myecon? Listen, I didn't know anything about it either, and then it was introduced to me and I got started right away. Why did I get started right away? Well, first of all, because of the fact that it is for everybody. Everyone knows somebody that can use extra money, first of all, and everybody knows somebody that could fix their credit. Would you agree? Now, I know people who can fix their credit. I would even like to have my credit going higher, because when you have credit and you don't have to pay cash for everything, man, it's a beautiful thing. So let me share with you Myecon and why you should get started. You should get started today, my friend. Join my team. I will be building a team. I'm going to be building out a team with my team members, Cater and Tanisha and Justin and Alfredo. Listen, we are going to be building teams, massive teams, and I want you to be on my team if you want to succeed, if you want to make money on the internet, and if you want to help people around the world, because ultimately that's what this is all about. It's about helping people. It's about empowering yourself and helping others. And I'm going to build one of the biggest teams inside of this company, and I am going to invite you right now to click that link below. If you want to learn how to build your credit, if you want to learn how to get more money from your paychecks, right? Your W-4s. You probably feel that your W-4s wrong. I mean, this company shares with you everything you need to know on how to empower yourself financially. So go ahead, my friend, click the link that you see below this video. Get on my team. Woohoo! Team, get on my team. We are going to be cool. We are going to do some great things here, and I can't wait to welcome you on one of the fastest growing teams that's going to be inside of this company. All right, my friends, take care. I'll see you on the team. Click the link below.